In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw money from BingX. So I will show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto and fiat money. So let's don't waste time and get straight to the content. First of all, if you don't have an account, you can create an account with using my link. And if you're using my link, you get over $5,000 bonus and you will support this channel. And if you click on the link in the description, you will come to this page and you will see the referral code successful trading. And to create an account, you just need your email and a password and then claim reward. If you created an account, you will come to this page, and if you want to deposit fiat, you go to buy crypto and fiat deposit, and here you can select different fiat currencies. In this case we are using euro. Then you just enter the number you want to deposit, for example 1000 euro. Then you select the payment method SEPA transfer, confirm, and then you just have to tick this little circle, go on continue, and then you can deposit fiat currency. If you want to directly buy crypto with fiat, you go on quick buy. Again, you can select here different fiat currencies, for example US dollar. You tap in the amount you want to have, for example 1000. Then you can see here how much USDT you would get. And if we then click on buy, you can see this different payment methods, for example credit card or also MoonPay. And for example, if you want to buy crypto with MasterCard, you click on buy and then you fill in your data and you get crypto on BingX. And if you want to deposit crypto, you go on assets and on deposit. Then you can select a coin, for example I use Bitcoin. Then you will select the network, in this case we are using Bitcoin, and then you will get the QR code and your deposit address and you can deposit Bitcoin on BingX. And if you want to withdraw money, you click on assets and on withdraw. And for example, if you want to withdraw the Bitcoin, again you select Bitcoin right here and your network. Then you will fill in the withdrawal address and the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. And if you filled in everything correctly, you can withdraw Bitcoin. And if you want to withdraw fiat, you click on fiat withdrawal and then you get up to this page and you can select again the fiat currency. Then you will type again the amount of fiat currency you want to withdraw. You will select the withdrawal method wire transfer confirm. Then you again tick the circle right here and continue, and then you can withdraw the fiat on your bank account again. So guys, this was a quick and easy tutorial how to deposit and withdraw money, crypto and fiat. And again, if you want to get up to $5,150 bonus, you can use the link in the description to register on BingX. So guys, write it in the comments below which tutorial I should make next. I also made a complete tutorial on BingX on how to buy cryptocurrency and trade futures on BingX. So if you want to see the video, it is linked in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.